Welcome back, everyone. It's Caleb. I'm sitting inside of a base preferred Buick Envista. Now, this is a 2025 model. Actually quite comfortable, but I'm going to be showing you how to use and operate your auto high beams. So let's hop right in. Now, it is daytime right now, so it won't fully turn on, but I've got a little way to show you. But to know that you have auto high beams, you'll see this A with the high beam right here, and you're going to click that. Now, it's not going to turn on until we make it dark outside. So what you're going to do is you're going to cover this sensor. So I'm going to cover this sensor until the lights kind of turn on. There we go. And then I'm going to reach in here and press this button. And let me do this again. There we go. So now you see auto on. So that's going to be your auto high beams. So as long as this sensor is either A, covered, or B, it detects that it's dark outside, this light will be on auto. So your lights will flash, to high beams when the coast is clear, there's no other cars coming, it's dark outside, kind of no lights really. Once the lights come back, it detects it in this system up here, and it doesn't really get a visual from that, but you get a visual from this. It'll automatically turn off. So the auto high beams is really used for not having to constantly flash your high beams or remember that they're on. You can just leave that button on and let it do its thing. So it'll brighten up when you need it bright, and it'll darken when there's another car, pedestrian, or other lights that it's detecting is on. I do want to say thank y'all again for watching. Hopefully it was useful. I'll see y'all soon.